Having people and systems that support you is extremely important. Today, I'm going to share what those support systems look like for me, for my business, for my life, that helps me make everything look so much easier and function so much smoothly. The number one support system that I have in my life is definitely my husband. He is somebody without whom I cannot imagine functioning effectively in my life, in my business, with my kids, in parenthood, in anything. He's the biggest support system. And the advantage that I have is, fortunately, he also works from home. He has very good hours. He is available for kids pickups, drop-offs. So we have two kids who both go to separate schools. I have taken the responsibility of the younger one, and the older one, he does the pickup and drop-offs for. He is an equal participant in household chores, in the kids. There are certain times where I have to take up some strategy calls or something during the evening times. In evening, kids are home. If the kids are home and it's me alone, it's impossible for me to take a strategy call which goes on for around 1 hour or something. These are Zoom video calls which are there. So I'm only able to do these business related tasks outside of the time when my kids are in school, is because I have this solid support system which I get from my husband, who does his part and effectively manages whatever needs to be managed so that I can stress free focus on the business. The second thing which I feel is so important that has helped me in my business is the support I get from the business community. The training that we have, support groups that we have, the chat groups that we have. Everybody wants everybody to succeed. If somebody is facing an issue and if they put in the group chat, you will get multiple people reaching out for help or giving solutions or something. So that I feel is so precious to have in your work environment. The business community is something which I absolutely adore. I love it. I love the people I work with. This is something which has helped me stay put in the business and give it so much time, energy, and enthusiasm that I have for my business. People is plays a very big part in why I do what I do.